Click your way to cash, the world of website testing as a side gig. Want to earn a little extra cash while surfing the web from the comfort of your couch? Believe it or not, you can get paid to test websites. This burgeoning side gig offers a flexible way to contribute to the digital landscape and pad your wallet in the process. So, how does it work? Companies and website developers need real human feedback to ensure their online platforms are user-friendly, intuitive, and bug-free. That's where you come in. As a website tester, you'll typically be given specific tasks to perform on a website or app, such as navigating to certain pages, trying out features, or completing a mock purchase. While you do this, you'll either record your screen and voice as you think aloud about your experience, or you'll answer specific questions about the website's usability and design. The requirements are usually minimal: a reliable internet connection, a computer or smartphone, and the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly. You don't need to be a tech expert. In fact, companies often prefer testers who represent a variety of demographics and technical skills. You'll sign up with various website testing platforms, create a profile, and then wait for testing opportunities that match your profile. Payment varies depending on the platform and the complexity of the test, but it can range from a few dollars for short tasks to upwards of $30 or more for longer, more involved tests. Now, let's talk about Vinny. Vinny, a mild-mannered accountant by day, stumbled upon the idea of website testing during a late-night internet rabbit hole. He figured, hey, I spend half my evenings online anyway, might as well get paid for it. He signed up for a few platforms, brimming with entrepreneurial spirit. His first test involved a new e-commerce site selling artisanal cheese. Vinny, a big fan of all things dairy, got a little too into the task. As he was instructed to navigate the checkout process, he started adding various exotic cheeses to his virtual cart, muttering things like, ooh, a truffle gouda. And a smoked provolone. Don't mind if I do. He got so carried away describing the virtual cheese platter he was building that he completely forgot he was supposed to be focusing on the website's functionality. The platform's feedback noted, testers seemed very enthusiastic about the product, but provided limited feedback on the actual user experience. Vinny, slightly embarrassed but also now craving some good cheese, learned a valuable lesson: enthusiasm is good, but focus is key. Despite his cheesy start, Vinny persevered. He learned to balance his genuine reactions with objective feedback, and soon, he was earning a steady little income testing websites in his spare time. He even started a spreadsheet to track his earnings and the types of websites he tested, proving that even for a cheese-loving accountant, a little online exploration can add up. Disclaimer: please remember that this article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. This article is for entertainment purposes only.